In this video, we are going to draw the lip shapes of our character so that they can be used for lip sync whenever required. There are total 9 lip shapes for this character. These are B, P, M, A, E, I, O, U, V, F, Z, S, L and N. Please see the video to get a better idea. The first shape will be for B, P and M, which will be the closed mouth which we had already traced in our vector tutorial. We will add a new layer for the other shape. We will start with our first shape, which is A and E. We have kept the drawing on the side for the reference. We will hide the original mouth shape layer for now. We will use the line tool to draw the line, and by using the selection tool, we curve the line. We will use the sub-selection tool for precise curve. Please see the video. In this lip shape, only the upper teeth will be visible because the mouth is not fully open. You can check in the mirror by stating these sounds. The shapes which we make while making the sounds are applied in the animation. After the first shape is done, we will add a blank keyframe on the same layer as of A and E shape. We add blank keyframe using the F7 key. We will do the I sound now. The I lip shape will have both upper and lower teeth visible because the mouth is fully open. Please see the video and follow. The next shape will be the O shape. We can see the drawing of every lip shape that we are drawing. The next shape will be the U shape. The V and the F shape has the lower lip pressed between the teeth. The next will be the Z and S shape. This shape has the teeth visible, but the tongue is not visible. The next shape will be the L shape. This will have the teeth visible. The tongue will be curled inside, making a U shape. Please follow the video. The last shape will be the N shape. This shape is used rarely in the lip sync. It is the same shape as the L shape, but the tongue will be sticking out a bit. You can pronounce the vowels and the sounds of the shapes in the mirror and try to draw the lip shapes for yourself. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.